Welcome. Today we are exploring the powerful applications of double integrals in calculus. We will see how they help us calculate area, volume, and mass in a geometric and physical context. First, what exactly is a double integral? It is simply a tool to sum up infinitesimal quantities over a two-dimensional region. Unlike single integrals which work on a line, double integrals sweep across a flat area. Our first application is finding area. It might seem redundant since we have single integrals, but conceptually, if we integrate the constant function 1 over a region D, the result is the exact area of that region. Visualizing this, imagine breaking the region into infinitely many tiny rectangles. Summing the area of all these small pieces, defined as dA, gives us the total area of the shape. Next is volume. This is the most common interpretation. If we have a surface function f of x and y describing a height above a region, calculating the double integral of that function gives us the volume of the solid underneath. Here is what that looks like in 3 dimensions. We are essentially calculating the volume of the solid body trapped between the flat region on the bottom and the curved surface on top. Our third application is mass real-world objects, like a flat plate or lamina, do not always have the same density everywhere. By integrating a variable density function ρ, we can find the total mass. Think of a metal plate where some parts are heavy and others are light, shown here by the color gradient. The double integral accounts for these density variations at every point to give the correct total mass. We can even go further to find the center of mass by calculating the moments about the x and y axes using the density function. We can pinpoint the exact balance point, or centroid, of the object. To summarize, integrate the number 1 for area, integrate the surface function for volume, and integrate density for mass. These are the 3 fundamental pillars of double integral applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.